So division of integers, okay, very similar to multiplication. And in fact, mathematically, we say that division is the inverse of multiplication. It's the opposite of, all right? But in terms of getting the sign right, it's exactly the same principle. If the signs are the same, the answer is positive. Okay, so a negative number divided by a negative gives me a positive answer. Positive divided by positive is positive. If the signs are different, the answer is negative. All right, so we do our division as we normally would, but then we just concentrate on what the signs will be. So maybe we should just color code that last one. So there's my signs the same, positive answer. Signs different, negative answer. Okay, so again, let's have a look at our answers in here. That's equal to, so again, I have a negative 56 divided by, now there's no sign on the 8, and we spoke about that already. It means it's positive, so that makes it a positive 8. So a negative 56 divided by a positive 8 gives me a negative answer, and 56 divided by 8, hopefully we know is 7. All right. What about negative 32 over negative 8? So that's the same as a division, isn't it? Okay. So negative divided by a negative, the signs are the same, so I get a positive answer, and 32 divided by 8 is 4. All right. So with nice little divisions like that, we could just sort of do them from our times tables. What about 234 divided by negative 6? The first thing hopefully we notice is that 234 doesn't have a sign, which means, hopefully, you're yelling at the screen, yes, it's a positive number. So positive 234 divided by negative 6 means I'm going to get a negative answer, but what's that answer going to be? So what if we do our division? So I'm not going to necessarily worry about the negative sign just here. Okay, in fact, maybe I might put the negative sign there so I don't forget it. 6 into 23 is 0. Sorry, 6 into 2 is 0. 6 into 23, what's that? That's 3 times, isn't it? 3 6s are 18. 23 minus 18 is 5 remainder. Bring down the 4. Let's get rid of that negative sign there. And so now I go 6 into 54. Well, hopefully, quick check. 6 10s are 60, and 54 is 1 less than that, so it must be 9. And 6 9s are 54, so there's 0 remainder. So my answer is 39, but because it's a positive and a negative, negative 39. Okay. Same sort of thing, negative 196 divided by negative 4. Now, some of you might think about that in your head straight away because 4 50s are 200, and we've nearly got that. So you might nearly be able to get that answer there. So I'm just going to put 4 into 196. I'm not going to worry about the negative signs just yet because negative divided by negative is positive. So I'm going to positive there as an answer. And then I'm going to do my division as I always did. 4 into 19 is 4 times. 4 4s are 16. Put down the 16. 3 remainder. Bring down the 6. How many 4s are in 36? That's 9, isn't it? 9 4s are 36. We have 0 remainder. So my answer is positive 49. Okay. So you may not have done it that long way there. You might have gone this way. 4 into 196. 4 into 1 doesn't go. 4 into 19 is 4 times with 3 remainder. 4 into 36 is 9 times. So I get 49. Negative divided by negative is a positive. Yeah. So you can certainly do that short method, and probably that's probably the best way to do it. Very good.